how to recover a deleted Instagram account before and after 30 days. So if you want to recover your deleted Instagram account before and after 30 days, then let's first talk about before 30 days. So if you have deleted your Instagram account, or if you have deactivated your account, then it will be recovered before 30 days. It's simple. What you need to do is open up your Instagram, go with your profile, which will be in the bottom, and then go with the upper right, which has that drop down arrow, and then go with add Instagram account, go with log into a new account or an existing account, and it will take you to the login interface. Once here, you need to tap on use another profile, go into the username, email address, or the mobile number of the account that you've deactivated or deleted, which has not hit 30-day period. After that, enter your password, go and log into your account. Once you've logged in, it will recover your deleted Instagram account. But what if it's been more than 30 days? If it's after 30 days, then let me tell you that the answer is no. You cannot retrieve your deleted Instagram account after 30 days, because once the recovery window is closed, Instagram permanently deletes user data from their servers. If someone claims they recovered a permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days and shows you a method of recovering hacked accounts, it likely won't work for you. You can only recover a hacked account if Instagram still has your data stored on its servers. Because if your data does not exist on Instagram, then there is no way to recover a permanently deleted account with a hacked account complaint. In case you have deactivated your Instagram profile, then don't worry. You can easily reactivate it anytime. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.